Welcome back, everyone. Get ready to have your mind blown with another set of incredible facts that will make you question everything you know. From shocking space discoveries to unbelievable human feats, these 20 mind-blowing trivia questions and answers will leave you in awe and eager to learn more. Question 1. What is the only country in the world without a single McDonald's restaurant? Answer. This might surprise you, but there isn't a single McDonald's in the entire country of Iceland. Iceland's unique culinary traditions and strong economy are likely factors contributing to this. Question 2. Can someone please explain why the sky is blue? Answer. Have you ever stopped to wonder why the sky has that beautiful azure hue? It's not what you think. The sky isn't actually blue, but appears so due to a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering. When sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, it gets scattered by tiny air molecules. Blue light gets scattered more than other colors because it travels as shorter, smaller waves. This scattered blue light is what we see all around us, making the sky look blue. Question 3. Did ancient Rome burn down entirely? Answer. Imagine the shock waves that rippled through the ancient world when the iconic Colossus of Rome burned down. But hold on, because the story takes a surprising turn. It didn't burn down completely. While the fire raged and engulfed many parts of the city, some sections remained untouched. Question 4. What color would you see if you mixed red and blue paint together? Answer. You might expect the answer to be purple, but you'd be wrong. If you mixed red and blue paint together, you'd end up with a muddy brown color. This is because both paints contain a range of different pigments, not just one pure hue. Mixing them creates a complex reaction resulting in brown. Question 5. Is the moon actually made of cheese? Answer. It's a popular children's rhyme, but could there be some truth to the idea that the moon is made of cheese? Scientists analyzing lunar samples brought back from the Apollo missions concluded that the moon isn't made of cheese. Instead, its surface is primarily composed of rock and dust. Question 6. What causes lightning? Answer. Have you ever wondered what causes those dazzling bolts of lightning to crackle across the sky? It all comes down to static electricity. When warm air rises rapidly within a thundercloud, it causes charged particles like ice crystals and water droplets to collide. These collisions generate massive electric fields, leading to the release of electric charges and voila, lightning. Question 7. Can dogs see into the future? Answer. Dogs can sense danger much faster than humans, which can make it seem like they're predicting the future. Their keen senses of hearing and smell help them pick up on subtle cues like changes in barometric pressure or the scent of smoke, allowing them to anticipate potential threats before they become apparent to us. Question 8. Why do babies cry? Answer. Babies cry for various reasons, but did you know they can soothe themselves by producing a special sound? Crying triggers the release of endorphins, which act as natural painkillers. This self-soothing mechanism helps babies calm down and feel better. Question 9. Which animal lays the largest eggs in the world? Answer. Brace yourself for an unexpected answer. The ostrich, the largest bird on Earth, lays the biggest eggs. Ostrich eggs can be over 6 inches long and weigh up to 3 pounds. These eggs are a rich source of nutrients, making them a valuable food source for ostriches and humans alike. Question 10. Do fish feel pain? Answer. Fish may not have the same pain receptors as mammals, but research shows they do experience pain. They exhibit behavioral responses to painful stimuli, such as withdrawing from the source of pain, which indicates they can feel pain. Question 11. How do trees communicate? Answer. Trees have an intricate communication system. They use a network of underground fungi to exchange information and resources. This network, known as the Wood Wide Web, allows trees to share essential nutrients and warn each other of potential threats. Question 12. Are you a product of your environment? Answer. The idea that your behavior and personality are solely a product of your environment is a controversial topic. While your surroundings undoubtedly influence who you are, your genetics also play a significant role. Studies on twins separated at birth show that genetics have a strong influence on personality, even when raised in different environments. Question 13. Does time travel exist? Answer: time travel remains a fascinating concept, but according to our current understanding of physics, traveling to the past is impossible. However, time dilation, a phenomenon predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity, suggests that time is relative and can be affected by factors like gravity and speed. Astronauts on the International Space Station actually experience time slightly slower than people on Earth due to their speed. So while we can't travel back in time, we can move forward just a bit. Question 14. Which planet in the solar system has the most rings? Answer: Saturn takes the crown for having the most impressive ring system in our solar system. Its rings are intermediate in complexity, halfway between the more extensive set around Jupiter and Neptune and the simpler rings found around Jupiter, Neptune, and Pluto. Question 15. Can a smile increase your happiness? Answer: absolutely. Smiling not only makes you appear happier, but it can actually boost your mood. When you smile, your brain releases feel-good neurotransmitters like endorphins and serotonin, which have mood-boosting effects. Question 16. Do ghosts exist? Answer: the existence of ghosts remains a highly debated topic. While there's no scientific evidence to prove or disprove their existence, many people claim to have had experiences that they believe are paranormal. Some believe that ghosts are the spirits of people who have died and are lingering in the mortal realm. Others dismiss ghost sightings as tricks of the mind or hoaxes. Question 17. How do planes stay up? Answer: flying seems like magic, but it's really just science. When an airplane's wings move through the air, they create an area of low pressure above and an area of high pressure below. This pressure difference generates lift, which acts opposite to gravity, allowing the plane to stay airborne. Question 18. What is the most dangerous animal in the world? Answer: the most dangerous animal in the world is surprisingly not a predator like a lion or shark, but rather a tiny insect, the mosquito. Mosquitoes are responsible for transmitting deadly diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus, which claim hundreds of thousands of lives annually. Question 19. What is consciousness? Answer: consciousness is a profound mystery. We still don't fully understand what it is or how it arises. While scientists have made some progress in mapping the brain areas associated with consciousness, the subjective experience of awareness remains a puzzle. Some believe consciousness is an entirely physical phenomenon, while others think it may involve aspects that we don't yet understand. Question 20. Is there life on other planets? Answer: the question of whether we're alone in the universe has fascinated humanity for centuries. With billions of Earth-like planets out there, it seems likely that life exists elsewhere. However, we haven't found any concrete evidence of extraterrestrial life yet. There are ongoing efforts to detect signs of life on other planets through various space exploration missions. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll find out that we're not alone. There you have it, 20 mind-blowing trivia questions and answers that challenge what you know and make you question everything. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. And if you want to keep the learning fun going, check out our other videos filled with fascinating facts and quizzes. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep asking questions, stay curious.